Welcome to On Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Organic chemistry questions for you. Here you have three different intermediates, cation, anion and radical, both in cyclopropene. You should find which one is more stable. Here the charges are there. Definitely you should consider aromaticity for the stability. So to find the aromaticity, we should apply the Hückel rule. P, if you look at it, to obey the 4n plus 2 system. So 2 pi electron n equals 0. So it's aromatic, it's more stable. Let us analyze Q and R also. Q is 4n pi system because of 2 electron from the anion. So totally it has n1 with 4 pi electron. So it is anti-aromatic, highly unstable. Then if you look at the R, it is unstable because already it's a radical, don't have any special stability. The concept we outline here is aromaticity is the most stabilizing species in the intermediate system. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.